Alright, really quickly, I'm going to show you if you have over bleached knots, an easy way to get rid of them. I've used, see some people use Sharpies, and that does help if you have a few. I here have like this part right here, so literally all I need is a spoolie and some natural rag dye. Okay, and that's all you need. Okay, and then all you're gonna do is take it and literally just like brush it up.
All of this shit you talking gon' get you married. Take you to meet my parents. It's apparent you think I'm playing, and you don't hear
Difference already. You're gonna do the same thing to the other side. I'm just going to do the same thing to the other side, but I need to be. So I'm going to get a few more dots and touch it right there. Let me wash this stuff off. I got some dye right there. I'm going to look, it's already looking so much better. Look at that, y'all. And seriously, it takes like 5 minutes. Like I did, I'm gonna take it out long. But literally like 5 minutes to do this, and I'm using the, I just bought a random one, so I was like, hey, y'all want the trick, and I just got me like a little mascara spoolie. But okay, I gotta be careful right here because I just got my legs. But literally all you do is, and you can like send over some of the other ones. Just an easy fix. It happens to the best of us, because sometimes it looks like, especially with brown lace, it may look like it's not taking what it is taking. So this is an easy way to over correct them. I'm kind of gonna like go over with the blow dryer real quick. Just to dry up that guy.
so baby, come over. I want you to know how I feel.
Alright, and that, my friends, is how you fix over bleached knots in 5 minutes.